So I'm continuing my quest to help out electric vehicle dealers. At a garage today. I've known the guy for years. All he does, and he's been doing it for ages, is sell electric vans. He's got a customer from a long, long way away who wants to see a battery health certificate. The thing with this chap is he's got such a good reputation. He deals with a lot of firms and he finds vehicles for them. So he gets away without these battery health certificates. But the occasional private that wants to buy one, they want one. As I say, he's got a great reputation and people know he'll stand by his vehicles. If anything goes wrong, he'll get them fixed. And he has done in the past. I've just been chatting to him. Very, very interesting guy. What he doesn't know about electric vehicles is not worth knowing. So let's get on and we'll do this. That's it. That's the plug. I know where it goes, but we'll just do this. We'll just go ahead. So start. Click through. It is a Vauxhall Vivaro. I've forgotten to look what year it is. We'll put Opel, it's no Vauxhall. Opel Vivaro E. It's showing you need an adapter, but on this one I can actually get to it. So we'll plug that in there. That's plugged in. We're switched on. Go to the next one. Shows you where it is. Like so. On to the next one. Scanning for Bluetooth. Just found it. Click next. Configuration complete. Got all those. Click start. This is it. We have to keep pressing the brake pedal so the ECU doesn't go to sleep. Car identified as Vivaro, valid license has been found. You can proceed to check your car okay. Reading data. Data sent successfully. You can unplug the OBD. It's as quick as that. So unplug the OBD. Put it away. And then I just need to wait for the email from Voltest. That's it. It's arrived. Let's have a look at it. View attached. 100% state of health. Estimated range 142 miles. Odometer 31,341 miles. It's showing 31,348 miles on here. Let's have a look. Cell V max. Cell imbalance 13 millivolts. So well within the tolerance. Battery's all good. Another good one. I'm pleased to say. No matter how much you lot think it would make my day if it was a bad one. I mean, as I say, looking at the van's mint. It's absolutely beautiful. You know it's been well looked after. You know it's had a proper owner. And you also know it's had a proper driver. 31,000, it's like new. Another good one. as you can see, absolutely mint. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ta-da.